on your house?
Yes. Is 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Wow. All right. And how do you go to school? By walk or by car?
I by.
By bike?
Yes.
Wow. Do you have bikes?
I my by my second in by.
I see. All right. That's great to hear. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Filong. All right. All right. So are you ready for our lesson today?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
All right. That's great to hear. And okay, just one moment. I will share to you my screen. Okay, tell
Yes.
me if you can see it. All right.
All right.
All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
All right. Now, Philong, can you tell me what page are you with this book? This is, yeah, this is your book, right?
Yes.
Okay. What page are you here?
Yeah. Um.
Okay, tell me if you finished here, okay? I can't find your last time our topic is this one. And I don't think so. Where are you now? And I heard you play soccer every Thursday, right?
Yes.
Oh, so you are a soccer player. Right. How about this one? Are you finished here?
Yes.
Finished. How about this one?
No. Uh. It's down, down, down,
Down.
down.
All right. Okay, one moment. Okay, with loading. Okay, so while we are waiting that one, okay, I will check it. And okay, but now, okay, let me share another book maybe, so that, okay, here. Okay, can you see my screen?
No, I can't.
You can't?
Yes.
All right. Now, what page are you here in Flipbook? You finish here. How about this one? Are you done here?
I'm here.
Done. How about this one?
Yes. Yes.
Done. All right. Now let's move on.
Yes. Yes.
Done. This one. Done.
No.
Not yet. So we will discuss. Okay, how about a game? Okay, so last time you finished playing and watching sport, is it?
Yes.
All right. So, all right, now let's move on. Okay, in this page, okay, what did you learn about this page?
Ít đi bơi football, play table tennis,
Mhm.
and play curry.
All right. And how popular the sports in your country? Like how about this one? How popular is this game on your country?
I play football.
Football. All right. So is football is popular in your country?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So thank you so much for that. All right. Now let's have okay. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, let's have this one. So here, look at this game. So then discuss the questions below. Okay, so in activity one, so let's pair work. Okay, so let's have mahjong.
Macho.
Okay, solitaire.
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 Mhm. Okay, next is Scrabble.
Scrabble.
Mhm. Charades.
Charade.
Okay, Sudoku.
Sudoku.
Checkers.
Chicken.
All right. Now, this time, let me ask you some questions. So, which game have you played? All right. And these games, which games do you play?
Yes.
Which one? Is it all right? I think you you did not play mahjong. I think that is for an old people, not old, but is for the big how is it? It's for an adult uh, played or adult sports. How about solitaire? Do you know solitaire?
Yeah. Oh, no,
Oh,
no. No, no.
all right. This is like playing card, I think. Yeah.
Oh,
How
no.
about Scrabble? Do you play
No.
this one? How about charade? Do you play charade?
No.
Now, how about Sudoku?
No.
Checker?
Yes.
Yes. Are you good at checker?
Yeah. I can
Wow.
buy chicken.
Hmm? All
I
right. That's okay. That's good. Hello. Okay. All right. And which game did you enjoy the most? Like example. Okay. Can you give me a game or yeah? Can you give me a game that you played at home or played with your friends?
yes.
Can you give me one example of the game that you played?
I can buy badminton.
Oh, badminton. Uh-huh. Okay, that's great. And do you enjoy playing that sport? That is sports. So game is like a simple games. Is it like kinds of how is it? Like playing Uno. Do you know Uno? Uno game?
Yes.
Do you play Uno?
Yes. I will
Wow.
know.
Uh-huh. Is it nice, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Yeah, we played Uno also when we are little. Okay, how about yo-yo? Do you play yo-yo?
I sometimes I do.
Wow. You play sometimes. All right. So this time, let's listen or in practice B or in uh yeah part B. Let's listen the people talking about their favorite games. Okay, let's start here. Okay, are you ready? Tell me if you can hear, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Ready?
Page 32. Lesson 7B. How about a game? Activity 1. Part B. Listen. Three people are talking about their favorite games from Part A. Answer the questions. First, Terry.
Now, Terry, I haven't played this before. Tell me about it. How does it work? What are the rules?
Well, you don't need another person to do this.
Uh huh.
In fact, you should do it alone so that you can concentrate.
Oh, okay.
Now, all you need is the puzzle from the newspaper and a pencil.
Mm-hmm.
It's best to use a pencil, not a pen. The idea is to arrange the numbers 1 to 9 in each square in each box in the correct sequence so that you don't repeat the same numbers.
Oh.
It has nothing to do with math. It's a logic game.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good way to exercise your brain. It takes skill to do a puzzle quickly, and an easy one takes me about 20 minutes.
Oh.
Next, Lisa.
Lisa, how do you play this game?
It's sort of similar to chess, I guess. There are 2 players. You use a regular chessboard with 12 red pieces and 12 black pieces.
Mm-hmm.
You only play on the dark squares.
Okay.
The idea is to jump over the other person's pieces and remove them from the game.
Uh-huh.
The idea is to win, of course. Like chess, it's a game of skill. There's no luck involved at all. When I play, a game lasts about half an hour.
Okay.
Finally, Claudio.
Claudio, how do you play this?
Well, it's like a crossword puzzle. You need at least 2 people to play, and the maximum is 4.
Okay,
You need a board and a bag of letters.
okay.
See, the idea is to make words using the letters you have. The more letters you use, the higher you score.
Oh,
Different letters have different values, and players take turns making words. The winner is the one who has the highest score at the end.
okay.
Now, there's some luck involved. You may get difficult letters or easy ones, but it also takes skill. It helps to have a good vocabulary.
Huh.
So you need both luck and skill to win.
Hmm.
And a game can go on for about an hour.
Oh.
All right. Okay, so do you hear it? All right. Do you remember how what do they need for to play this game? Okay, are you ready?
Ball game.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how about, okay, now let's move on to, all right, Terry first.
Teacher, I
Okay.
go drinking water.
Sure, sure.
No, teacher.
Hello. Okay. Right now, let's start with Terry. Okay, what equipment do you need?
Yes.
What equipment do you need?
You need you don't need all the parent.
Mhm. You don't need another person, right? Okay, in fact, you
You
should do it
alone so
on.
time you can concentrate.
All right, so now all you need is
Now all you need is a busy from
puzzle
fire from
from,
new paper
all
and
right,
pencil.
and pencil.
It
Okay,
best to use a pencil, not a pen.
okay. Now, what equipment? What equipment do you need? It's
Pencil
pencil. What else?
and paper.
Yes, paper from newspaper, right?
Yes.
Okay, newspaper. All right. So do you have any questions from Terry? All right, let's move on to Lisa. What does she need? Okay, let's move on to Lisa. Okay.
Um, it need to
Sorry. Okay, Terry, first Terry, and then Lisa. Okay. Lisa is playing a logic game. Mhm.
yeah, but I so it's sort of swimming into it.
Logic. What equipment she needs?
This need uh to buy you use a skateboard with and a gel jet, Bible and gel black.
Pieces. All right,
This
say it again. You use a regular chessboard with 12 red pieces and 12 black pieces. Okay?
okay.
All right. So what do you need? What does equipment she need? She need
Need uh this ball with
with
gel red bee and gel black bee.
all right, 12 black pieces. All right. Now, okay, let me write down. Okay, one moment. So she need here a board with
Gel with bee. Gel bee.
12 red
Red bee. And
pieces.
and black gel gel black bee.
All right, and
Gel
12
black
black pieces. All right. Okay, do you have any questions? All right,
uh,
now let's move on to audio.
do you like by chess?
I don't know how to play chess, but I like to play it. I like to watch it, I mean. Yeah. So I don't know how to play the but, I
Uh,
want. Mhm,
I sometimes play chess.
mhm. Oh, who teach you how to play chess?
Yes, I
Who
I
teach
play.
you? How
Uh,
teach you?
my dad this.
Mhm. Oh, so your dad is good in playing chessboard?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. All right, that's great. All right, now, and how about, okay, now maybe let's have a role play. So first, I will read Terry, Lisa, you will read Terry, okay? All right,
Yes.
now let's start. Now, Terry, I haven't played this before. Tell me about it. How does it work? What are the rules? Okay, your turn.
Well, you don't need another parent to this. Uh, uh,
Person to
Person to this. Um.
uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Right, next. In
It
fact,
means you should do it alone so that you can continue
concentrate.
concentrate.
Oh, okay. Now,
Now, all you need is the bee from
puzzle.
by from
Puzzle. From
from the newspaper and people.
pencil.
It's it pencil. It's best to use a pencil, not a pen.
Ah, uh-huh. Okay. The idea.
It's to again the numbers 1 to 9 in each square. Each us in the concert.
Correct
Correct.
sequence.
Sure. So that you don't repeat the same number.
Oh, all right. That's great. Okay. Now, next. It has.
It had nothing to do with math. It's a practice game,
All right. Hmm. And
and it is a good way to exercise your brain.
exercise.
Just skill to do a bit
Puzzle.
quickly,
Puzzle quickly.
quickly and an easy one took me about 20 minutes.
Oh, all
Next
right.
is
Next is Lisa. Now, this time, I will read Claudio. You will read Lisa. Okay? All right, let's start. Lisa.
Lisa. How do you play the game?
It's short of similar to chess. I guess there are two players. You use a regular chessboard and 12 red pieces and 12 black pieces.
Hmm.
You only play on the dark squares.
Okay.
The idea is to jump over the person's pieces and remove them from the game.
Hmm.
The idea is to win, of course. Like chess, it's a game of skill. There's no luck involved at all. When I play the game, lasts about half an hour.
Okay.
All right, finally, Claudio. Okay, this time I will read Terry, you will read Claudio, okay?
Claudio,
Oh,
how do you play this?
well, it's like a crossword puzzle. You don't need to list two people to play. And the maximum is four.
Okay.
you need is a board and a bag of letters.
Okay.
See, the idea is to make words using the letters you have. The more letters you use, the higher you score.
Oh.
Different letters have different values, and players take turns making words. The winners is the one who has a highest score at the end.
Okay.
Now, there's some luck involved. You may get difficult letters or easy ones, but it also takes skills. It helps it helps to have a good vocabulary.
Hmm.
So you need both luck and skills to win. And a game can go on for about an hour.
Oh.
All right, that's great. Okay, so I think, yeah, that is Sudoku, and this, how is it? Mm, I think all right, I think Terry or Claudio, all right, I think Claudio saying that Scrabble game, right? Because they need a box of letters. Right, and Terry say, or she is, all right, saying about Sudoku game, right? So need of piece or uh, a newspaper and a pencil, and of course the cheese board or a checker. All right, do you have any questions here?
Um. Do you like uh, do you like go to supermarket?
Yes, I like to go supermarket.
Wow.
Do you like go to supermarket?
Me too. I like supermarket.
Wow.
I like I I like buy toy.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you so much for that. All right, now let's move on to a next page. Okay, now let's answer this activity. Okay, so please look at the game here. So you will tell me what kind of game is it. Okay, so you will find your answer in this game. Okay, now board game is a checkers. How
Oh,
about the card game? What game is a card game?
okay.
Sorry?
It's called game.
Mm, which one? This one? Card game.
It's a computer game.
Computer game. What is the computer game? It's
It is I uh play together.
play together. Uh-huh.
Yes.
All right. So, all right. Now let's check or let's have vocabulary first. Okay, so board game, checkers, scrambled, monopoly, trivial pursuit, backgammon. Okay, so for card, solitaire, poker, snap, bridge. Do you know those games?
Yes.
Which card game do you know?
I sometimes play computer game Tomb Raider.
Tom Mario.
Yes.
Oh, all right. How about Tomb Raider, Grand Theft Auto, The Sims? Do you know that game?
Yes. I sometimes play game.
You sometimes play these games. Oh, how about in a party game? There has charade, musical chairs. Do you play charade? When, for example, you go to a birthday party of your friend, do you play charade or musical chairs?
Yes.
I see. How about a puzzle? Sudoku, jigsaw puzzle, crossword puzzle. Do you play this game or do you play this puzzles?
Uh, but giờ was good. I sometimes play giờ. In
Oh,
um, yes.
you sometimes play puzzle. Is it zigzag puzzle or crossword puzzle?
Yes. Bây
Puzzle. Oh, I see. How about tile game like mahjong, Scrabble, dominoes? Do you know dominoes? Do you
Domino.
play? Yeah, dominoes. Do you play dominoes
Yes.
or Scrabble game? Do you
Domino.
play dominoes? Do you play dominoes?
Yes. I sometimes play domino.
Hmm? Dominoes game. So this is dominoes games. Yeah. All right. Let me share to you. So like this one. So like the how's it? Like a piece of a chips, and then
Yes.
there has. Do you know that game?
Very good, but it is a uh, it is forget
Mhm.
time forget time.
Oh, so yeah. I don't think so. If there has Domino's
Domi.
like yeah Domino's. This is the Domino's. I don't think so. If there has still has still was it like a chips on the market? Yeah, but I didn't see it on this time. All right. So do you have Domino's at home? Do you have
Yes.
Domino's at home?
In
Oh.
in in square jam I play domino.
Okay, that's great. All right, now maybe let's start answering. Okay, tell me or give me some example. A card game. A card game you play.
Um, mm, domino is good, but yeah, um, uno.
Yeah, do you play Uno?
Yeah.
So Uno is this one. Uno game. Okay, let me share to you. And Uno game cards. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Do you play this one? Do you have Uno at home?
Yeah,
Hmm?
I play uno.
Uh-huh. All right. Do you play with Uno with whom?
My younger brother and my friend.
Oh, that's great. All right. Now let's have computer game. What computer game do you play?
Yes.
Okay, what computer game do you play? Super Mario, right?
Yeah, super and Tomb Bass.
Tom Tomb Raider?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What else?
Yeah.
No more. Okay. How about party game? What party game do you play? Like example, you go to a party or your own party. What game do you have?
Batsy is Um, no, I don't know about party game.
Oh, all right, good. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's have puzzle game.
It's together.
Sorry, so you say it again.
I like together.
Play together.
Yes.
And what puzzle game do you play together?
I usually play together.
Did you play the jigsaw puzzle, crossword puzzle?
Puzzle.
Oh, puzzles. Okay. Okay, now let's have tile game. Do you know tile game?
No.
Okay, let me share to you. Tile game. All right, like this one. So this is kind of tile game.
No.
So you didn't play this one. All right. Okay, that's great. All right, it's okay. Thank you so much for that. All right, do you have any questions?
Do you like play computer game?
Sometimes. Sometimes I play tile game. So I have, how's it? Gardenscape. So that is also tile game. Yeah, and the rule there is to find the key or to win that tile game. You finished all the tasks there and you can build gardens. Yeah, so you will build a garden there. Okay, so that is the rule. All right, how about you? Do you like tile game or do you play what kinds of computer game do you play?
I sometimes computer game,
Mm-hmm.
but I do I do my homework. And I do my homework to 7 8 o'clock, and I play computer game to 9 o'clock.
Oh, so after you finished your homeworks, you play computer game.
Yes.
Ah, I see. All right, thank you so much for that. All right, do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. All right, since you don't have any questions, all right, let's have, okay, this question. Okay, so what types of game do you like?
I like to play together.
Play together like?
Yes.
Like what game do you like to play together? Is it computer game or
Uno.
card game?
Uno.
Uno. Wow. Yeah, Uno is very fun if you will play like 4 or 5 person players, right? It's too fun. Wow. Thank you so much. And what types of game you don't like or what game or you don't like?
Yeah, I don't like. Yeah. Mm, oh, I don't like party games.
Oh, party games. All right, thank you so much. And what games would you like to learn?
I games Uno.
What all right, what games do you like to learn? Like you don't know that game, but you like to learn how to play it. What game is that?
Yes.
Sorry?
Puppy. Puppy.
Oh, I see. Thank you. All right. Do you have any questions?
Do you like balay Uno?
Yes, I like to play Uno. And we played it sometimes if we have times. All
Yes.
right. Okay, thank you so much. And well, I really like to play this time. I really like to play computer game. Yes. And how about you? What computer game do you like?
I like computer. I like computer games. Free Fire.
Oh, right. That's great. Is it fighting game or what kind of game is that?
Team game
Sorry?
is
Is it
the
fighting game?
yes.
Oh, fighting game. And how many player or group in that game?
It's four groups.
Four groups or four person in a group. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, I see. All right. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Now, do you have any more questions?
Um, do you ever play war games?
War games?
Yes.
Yeah. I played Mobile Legend on online
But
games. Sorry?
yes, me too. I like motorbike games.
Oh, Mobile Legend? Is it
Yes.
Mobile Legend? Oh, and who is your heroes?
Yeah.
Yeah, who is your hero?
Yeah. I sometimes play game hero.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for that. Right, any questions?
Yeah. Activity 3.
All right, now let's have activity 3. Okay, so let's have vocabulary. So associate to make a connection in your mind between one thing and another. Okay, please read.
Yes.
Associate.
Associates.
Associate.
Associates.
One more time.
Ah.
So
So.
shape.
Search.
Shape.
Search.
It's shaped
Associates.
as associate.
Associates.
Yes. One more time. Associate.
Associates.
Okay, that's great. All right. Next, to make a connection.
Connotation.
To make a connection.
Connection.
In your mind between one thing.
And another.
All right. Between one thing and another. All right. Now let's have group work. So here, read the instruction for 2 words games, then play one of the game. Okay, let's have word association. Okay, please read. 1.
Or one by a size of word. The next by a size another word that is or she association with the word. Example, I just be by C teacher.
Okay, all right. Now, next have example, chess.
Yes,
Okay, example, chess,
just by teacher.
theater, theater.
Teacher.
Okay. All right. Now let's have if a player can think of a word or say a word not associated with the previous word, he or she leaves the game. the last player wins. Okay? All right, so let's start with, okay. Now first, all right, you will read A, I will read B. All right?
Right.
Okay, now let's start.
Let's play endless and begins. Okay.
Beginning.
Beginning.
Okay, you start.
Apple.
Elephant.
Elephant. Teacher.
Okay, very good. All right, do you have any questions? Do you have
No question.
no questions? All right, so that would be all for Let's Talk. Now let's move on to, all right. Okay, let's move on here. Sorry. It's empty. So succeed in Cambridge English key practice test. All right, let's have
Yes.
here. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's start here. So in part 1, timetable, list, and show the times when trains, buses, or planes leave, arrive. Okay, so let's start. Oh, sorry. Okay, please read this one. Competition.
Competition.
And
An event in which people try to win prize
price.
and
By being
the best
by
fastest.
being the best, fastest. All right. Now, do you have like this sport in your school, like you having competition? Like example, you are playing soccer, right?
I play
Badminton.
badminton.
All right.
Yes.
So, do you compete to other school? Long? Do you compete on other school?
Yes.
Oh, so how many times do you win or your team wins?
Yes. I win.
Yeah, how many times? Is it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? How many times do you win?
2 times.
2 times. Wow. And what place?
I play badminton.
Yeah, what place? Is it first place, second place, third place?
Goal.
Gold.
Yes.
Gold? Wow. Congratulations. Okay, good job. All right. Now, do you have any questions?
Uh, I was, do you like competition?
When I am studying on high school before, I compete on my school, or I compete to other school as a runner, like these ladies. So
Yes.
I ran for 100-meter dash. So
Wow.
I win for just a second prize or second place. So I didn't take a gold medal, but I win for the second place only.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for that for asking. Okay, do you have any more questions?
No question.
All right, no questions. All right, now let's have reading. Okay, part 2, please read, collect.
Let's give this up one try.
Type.
Try.
Stamp together.
Yes.
Okay.
Together.
All right, together. All right, the rest.
The rest, the other things on people that someone has spoken about.
Okay, good. Save.
Save.
Keep.
Give.
Keep something.
Give something to you in the future.
Okay. Do you have savings? Did you save money for your future long?
Yes, lot of money.
Wow, very good. Okay, and what do you plan for the money that you're saving? Is that for what?
Yes.
Is that for? Is it for your schools or to buy new things for you?
Buy toys.
Buy toys. Is it rocket?
Yes, lucky.
Rocket. Okay, very good. All right, so that's great. All right, let's have gardening.
Yes.
Okay, please read gardening. The activity. The activity.
Gardening, the activity of working in the garden looking at the plants.
All right. So, yeah, do you know someone who work as a gardening or a gardener?
My grandpa.
Your grandpa. So he is good in gardening.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. And how about, okay, let's read hard.
Hard.
Difficult.
Difficult to do something.
All right, difficult to do something. How about you, Long? What is difficult for you to do?
Uh, difficult is mm, mm, difficult. Có no.
Nothing. There's no difficult for you. It's all easy.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, now snowboarding.
Snowboarding, the sport where people have to move over snow using a snowboard.
All right, now, do you ever experience to do snowboarding? Have you tried snowboarding before?
Then I sometimes go play sport snowboarding.
Oh, is it at school or other place?
Yes, I sometimes
Others place?
realize.
Other place like on the mall? Yeah, because here in our mall, one of our mall here in Philippines, there has a snowboarding. So sometimes people going there and you know playing or uh, doing snowboarding.
Yes, I sometimes play snowboarding.
That's great. All right. So do you have any questions?
Do you do you like play snowboarding?
I haven't tried it before because I'm scared to feel it down. I don't know how to balance my body, so I didn't. No, I don't like to play, or I don't know how to play it. But I like watching people, right, playing snowboarding. Okay, thank you so much for that. All right, do you have any questions?
No question.
All right, no questions. All right, now let's have. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left. All right, now let's have an exercise. All right, now let's have reading now. Part 3. So primary school. Please read.
Primary school, a school for children then between 5 and 11 years old.
All right. And are you at the primary school?
No,
No. Are you
I
at
said secondary school.
secondary school? Okay, that's great. Okay, so secondary school.
Yes, secondary school,
A school for
a school for children between 11 and
18
18.
years old. All right, age. Say it again. Age
Age
8 to 11. Age 11 to
age
18 years old. And how about your younger brother? He is still in primary school, is it?
yes, younger brother is primary school.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's have the drama.
Drama about for teacher, radio, or television.
Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Have you ever yeah watched drama on theater or on a radio?
Yes, on television.
On television. Wow. All right, that's great. Okay, now last one is decision.
What do you finally do after thinking about several puppy teachers?
Possibilities.
Physicists,
One more time. Pa,
but
si,
six,
bi,
B,
li,
Lee,
tis.
this,
Possibilities.
possibilities.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's have change of mind.
Try a mind.
Decided.
Decide to do something difficult from what you have decided to do. Advice.
All right, that's great. Okay.
Look, look, have
Luck,
good, luck,
lucky.
lucky. Have been good things, habits. Do you that you tells good, not habits.
All right, very good.
Believe
Okay.
that think that something is true or real.
All right. Think that something is true or real. Say real.
Yes,
Say real.
so real.
Real. All right. So it's real. Okay. Now, do you have any questions here?
No listen.
No questions. All right. Since you don't have any questions, I think Long, that is all for today. Yes, thank you so much. So you did great. All right. All the time we have a lesson. So keep up your good work, okay?
Yes.
All right. So thank you so much for that. Okay. All right. So since you don't have any questions, oh, sorry. Okay. Since you don't have any questions, okay, let's have, oh, sorry. Okay, now I think that would be all for today. Okay, so thank you. And of course, goodbye for now. See you next time. Goodbye and good job.
I think
Goodbye. Thank you.